Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a cut crease, which is what I did on my eyes. I've had a couple requests to show how to cut the crease, so that is what I'm going to be doing today in this video. It's pretty easy and simple. I'll try to take you guys step by step of how to do it, and I really hope this helps. First thing is I primed my eyelids and did my eyebrows. So I primed my eyelids with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. I'm going to be using the Morphe Make Life Colorful palette. The Pride palette looks like this. So since my eyelids are already primed and stuff and my eyebrows are done, we can just go right into it. I'm going to be going into the color Life, which is this red color. I'm taking a Morphe M433 brush and I'm just going to pack it on the lid. I'm just going to be packing it on the outer edge of my eye, since this red is like a little bit dark. And now that it's packed on, I'm going to blend out the edges a little bit with only a little bit of product on the brush. Like so. And then another M433 brush, I'm going to be taking, it's the Zulu palette, and I'm taking this bright orange up here because the orange in the Pride palette is a little bit more yellow orange and I want a more true orange. I'm going to pack that and more in the middle and towards the inner edge. And then blend out the edges again, just like we did with the red. I'm going to be going back to the Pride palette and in the color Sunlight right there and right next to the red. I'm going to pack that on the very inner corner of my eye. So it's almost like an ombre, yellow, orange to red. Lost a little bit of color from the red. I'm going to pack a little bit more red on there. Perfect. So our eye is going to look like this now. Now we're going into the best part. We are going to cut the crease. And a lot of people ask me to do this because cut crease is a little bit complicated. Me personally, when I was first getting really good at my eyeshadow, I saw all these people doing this cut crease and it just looks perfect, and I was like, shit, I need to learn how to do this. So I think I pretty much mastered it, but I want to show you guys now how to do it. So I'm going back in with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. I put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to be taking this Vasanti eyeshadow 2 brush. This is the flat, and I'm going to take a little bit on the brush. I'm going to start at the inner corner of my eye, press, and then go up like so. And it honestly just depends on the shape of your eyelid too. Also probably will take some practice to figure out where you should cut your crease, because it took me a while to figure that out. You can also do like some stamping motions too. That's what I did in the beginning. And I'm just gonna soften it out a little bit with the brush. I'm going to go back into the red with the Morphe M433 brush and then pack on the outer edge like so. I'm going to be going into a Morphe M124. It's a little flat brush, and I'm going to be going into Liberation. It's this shiny white shade up here. And now we are going to pack the color on our lid, just where the concealer was. The key to getting a perfect cut crease, honestly, is just having the right brushes to do so. Since it is not shiny and bright enough to my liking, I'm going to be going in with this NYX glitter in 07. And I'm taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive. I'm going to take that exact same brush, dip it into the glitter, and then pack it on. And go ahead and just use all the glitter that you want, because you can never have too much. My eye looks like that. And just one more time, going back in with the color Life, which is the red one, and packing it on the outer edge just in case we got some glitter over the color of it. Perfect. Alright, sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye and put on my foundation and everything, and I will be right back. So this is the completed look. Pretty easy for beginners. You do not have to use these colors at all. You can pick any other colors that you want to pick, but it was just a general idea of how to do a cut crease. I really hope this video has helped. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.